So my strawberries decided that they did not want to live in the green stalks anymore. They literally rooted themselves in the ground. And honestly, that really tells you something really important about how these plants grow. Strawberries will send out runners just like the ones that you see here from the plant. They look kind of like what you see right here, and they will come down and they will literally root themselves into the ground after they've created a tiny new little plant. And that's kind of what we're seeing here now and what we're going to transplant. As you can see, some of them are already fruiting, and that tells me these are strong enough to be removed out of the ground. Hey everyone, it's Dream from Where the Yokels Grow, and if you all are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, I am so glad to see you. We're just going to get these strawberry runners moved and just work with what the plant is already trying to do all on its own, and that is plant itself and grow fruit. Alright, all of these already have their own root system, and I'm just going to take one and show you how to get it out of the ground. It's just a matter of getting as much of the root ball intact and up out of the ground. It doesn't need to be perfect, we just need it up. You can see the bottom of the plant right here. We're just going to go, not close, but just underneath, and slowly just pop it up. Remember, we just need the crown. We're not trying to break the root ball. Alright, there we go. These are your roots, and this is your crown. And that's all we need. Everything will be fine. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be out. Alright, in total we pulled up 67 brand new runner free plants from our existing strawberries. There were a couple I couldn't get out because they were too close to the green stalks, but that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to get some of this dirt off so we can kind of see the root ball, but we don't want to overcomplicate it. Let me show you the crown of this plant. This is the crown right here. This is what you don't want to bury. We can bury this whole ball, but we don't want to bury that crown. And listen, don't overcomplicate it. Just put it in the soil like so, and voila, it is done. Okay, we've got it planted in here. Again, just don't cover the crowns when you plant them. We've got it back into their system. Both green stalks are full, and I will link my green stalks in the description below. I will list where I originally got my strawberry crowns, so if you want crowns, you might be able to still get some. We're going to get the rest of these planted, and we still have a whole bunch to plant somewhere else. We've got them all in there, and now it's just a matter of letting them settle in. Alright, since they're already producing, I want to give them a little boost. I used the Bloom Cities organic liquid berry fertilizer, and this is for berries, to produce berries. You can get this on Amazon, and I will link it down in the description for you for those of you who may want it. I use this in my towers, and I'm telling you, these strawberries will produce through the summer. Okay, you want to shake it really well, and it doesn't take much. So we're going to take 2 capfuls. Well, that's what we're going to try and do. So there's 1 and 2. And then we're just going to fill this up with water. repeat the same process in this GreenStalk. 2 capfuls. And then fill it up. I know some of you are going to ask, how often do I fertilize these GreenStalks? I do it in the spring, about every 2 weeks. Once summer comes around, as you know, soil here in Texas dries out really fast. So with that water running down, the nutrients of that soil and any fertilizer you put in is going to run down every time you water it, especially in the summer. So we'll probably bump that up as long as they are producing strawberries. We'll bump that up when it starts to get a little warmer, which we are expecting our first 100-degree temperature in the next couple of days. And folks, it is only March 26th here. So that gives you an indication how hot it gets here pretty quickly. Those strawberries started off as runners from last year's plants that were in the GreenStalk. They rooted themselves in the grounds below, but that's how strawberries grow, and they grow really fast and multiply really fast when they are really, really happy. So to get 67 brand new strawberry plants without buying another set of crowns, boy, that sun is bright. It's so bright. We were able to get plants to fill up our GreenStalk, plus plants to put in a couple of other locations, which I will look forward to eating nature's candy because I absolutely love strawberry. Once again, if you all are new here, thank you so much for staying through to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification button so you get notified when new videos are posted. And for those of you who have been here from the beginning to the middle and recently, thank you so much for supporting this channel. We could not have it without you. Until I see you in the next video, y'all take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.